Hey, this is Ali from Alta Rocks. We wanted to bring you an update on the Alta Solo. So we have the Alta Solo baskets that go up to like 75-80 pounds for heavier bikes for sure. And currently our design allows you to mount it on top of the top bar with that bolt and a bracket, or you can also go on top of the top bar with the bar mount, where it allows you to have the horizontal bar and the Alta Solo on the top mount. So now we have a third option, which is on sliders, and this is really cool. So we created a really custom cool slider. It uses a combination of aluminum and steel, and there's a lot of lightning going on. So you can see there's a lot of logos underneath and some cool stuff if you look further. But what this plate does also, it gives you the slotting, as you can see. So these are going to be adjustable between 2.8 inches and 4.5 or about 4.4. That's where we got them to. So you're going to be able to run variation of different bikes on this. The beautiful thing is it doesn't seem to interfere with the bike next to it. We've tried it all summer on a Subaru, running 4 bikes on the E-Quattro, and had no issues here. And right now you can see this is a 29er Trek with a long stem, and sitting there we're getting pretty good clearance. Even if I sucked in the bike even further, this is pretty close to the main beam, we would get that clearance without having any factor. You'll have 2 strapping locations on these Solos, in the front and in the back, so you're going to secure this really well. And then he utilizes the same low bar. You see he's close to the edge, because the low bar is really not designed to come out towards me so much, but go out the other way, since the lean of the bikes. But this is the Alta Solo on a slider. I'm going to test it out for a couple of days. We already have a pretty good idea how it's going to behave. Some small modifications to get it just tweaked right, and then we're going to go into production with this. I'm not sure on the price yet, but the other thing is you don't need a wheel choke for this anymore. So right now you have these pins that we're going to have here that will allow you to set for 27.5 and 26 if you needed to run those bikes in here. And that should be a really good adjustment for all sorts of bikes that can go in here. We'll probably make a small one as well for a 20-inch to allow that. And then a lot of other good things are coming after this. But this Alta Solo, imagine if you got these fat bikes, Rad Rovers, Baku, Quiet Cat. Those are the bikes that you can really run on here. And like, if you're going with those heavy bikes, you definitely want to utilize this on a superior rack, such as the 45er, the Sanchez, or the E-Quattro, to get the maximum weight capacity that you wanted. So I could see easily running 2 or 3 Baku fat bikes on here, 4-inch tires, without any issues. And since we have the come along as well coming, and that we can include that with those racks, is that you can basically lift those back up without any kind of issues. So hope you're having a great day. Again, this is Ali from Alta Rocks, coming to you from beautiful Utah. It's almost snow season. Have a great day, y'all.